So, StackUp, what is it? If you use SkySpark, Fin Framework, or perhaps Hacksaw, then StackUp is a cloud repository where you can store your custom extensions, libraries, and Axon functions. These could be made publicly available if you want to share or sell them, or they may be held privately if they're for your eyes only. StackUp also creates and manages license files that safeguard your software. In a nutshell, StackUp is the hub of the Haystack community. Hi, I'm Steve Einan, and I built the StackUp web application, including the website, its cloud services, and its secure licensing options. In this presentation, I'd like to walk you through the key features and benefits of managing your software pods in StackUp. Getting started with StackUp is easy. Just visit the website and browse through the available software and tooling packages. Sign up for your free account and get notified when a new version is released, or maybe have your say in the website forums. Using your account, you can also install the software directly into your installation with one of our integrated technology partners. Here's how it works.
Emma Einan here. I'm going to install a StackHub package from my SkySpark instance. To do this, I need to have a StackHub account and login, which I'll demonstrate now. From my account, I can manage my saved packages in one place. But let's look for a new one. I've heard there's a great Chuck Norris freebie. This looks perfect. Normally, we would expect to download, save files, then transfer them to our target computer and install from there. Aha! Well, if you use an integrated platform like SkySpark, StackUp saves you time and hassle. From your SkySpark project, use the host application to reach the install option. And wow, there's a StackHub button! I'll bet you probably didn't know this was here. Log in with your StackHub credentials and you can browse the packages just like on the website page. I found it! So now I'll install it. Hey, that was easy. A quick check that this new extension is enabled. And then let's try it out. Oh dear. Well, we can't always guarantee what you'll be installing. But this direct integration makes the process to install whatever you need so much easier. Now, I'll hand you back to Steve.
Our unique licensing tools give you the ability to safeguard your software. We have partnered with Project Haystack technology platforms like SkySpark and Fin Framework to empower you to control how your software may be used. StackUp license files are secured with the power of public and private key encryption for state-of-the-art protection. Our licenses mean that you can build out your own controls using options for expiry dates, specific installation IDs, and even adding unit capacity restrictions. License files can easily be created in your StackUp account using our online license generator tool. Each license is available as a pay-as-you-go flat rate, so it's fair for everyone. Our license generation and direct integration features are all part of your free account on StackUp, giving you all you need to start using StackUp and contribute to the global open source community. We also provide even more services and features with a simple StackUp subscription. Save money and perhaps more importantly, time by using our website to store private packages online, to install software directly into your technology platform from across multiple sites and locations. Now you don't have to worry about emailing file or downloading them to local servers, because firewalls can be a pain too. This is a great option for working with external clients, managing multiple site locations, or offering trial versions of your software without making it publicly accessible. Sell your software products and tools to the global Haystack audience. StackUp now uses improved Stripe integration, giving you even more control over your checkout and invoicing options. Advertise your business with our customizable marketing pages. We make it easy to connect with your customers using easily hosted documentation, hosted product support forums, and linked YouTube video tutorials. All this under the protection of our inbuilt software licensing technology. So, whether you're looking to download software or whether you need to share or sell your own software, StackUp is here to support you. There's never been a better time to join StackUp. It's the place to be in the global Haystack community. Contact me, Steve at stackup.org, or visit my website if you'd like to talk about how we can help your business. Thanks for watching.